old's this thing, eh? She'd be from the 1800s as well, I reckon. Ah, you can see a Floyd. See an old building here.
Hold on.
This might have been where the dairy was. It's another old bit of a horseshoe, I reckon. And that looks like a sleeper. Oh, I don't know about a sleeper, no, they've just... Look, that's just where they've probably used that as a nail or something, maybe. Look at this one, Floyd. Oh, horseshoe. How old would that be, eh? A lot of metal around.
A raking stick.
Ah, yeah, look, that's interesting. It's an old rake. Yeah, that's probably from the 1800s, Floyd. Do you realise how old some of this stuff could be?
Yes.
Probably is. Like, geez, it's old. I'll put it back. I'm not going to take it with me. It's better to leave it there. Huh. Not much left or whatever this was. Yeah. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at here. I wonder what that was off. Ah, yeah, I see what that is. That's an old slasher or something. Slashing grass and you get hay, like hay bales and whatever. Yeah. What? Is that spiky, is it? Oh gee, that's spiky alright, that thing. Yeah, this is all the old fences and stuff all pushed up. Yeah.
Imagine if I left my axe here and 50 years later, the same.
And someone will come back in 150 years and say, wonder who left that old axe there, look at that. But yeah, this is some real old gear here. Yeah.
What's real old?
These. Could have been here for over 100 years, who knows. I don't even know if they had slashes back in those days.
And I'm going to keep saying this every time, maybe. You know, most of the times to just leave it alone. This will be the very longest video ever.
Yeah, it
and
will.
That's what you're going to make this video for.
Well, we put it
The
all.
longest video
Yeah, we put it all into different videos. You don't put it all on one video. That looks like an old handle off a bucket or something, doesn't it?
Too small.
You never know, we might find something even more interesting.
Hey, a hook.
Yeah, that's part of that machine, is it? Yeah, jeez.
Hey, what's this?
There's some sort of shed here, Floyd. Yeah, I don't know, it's part of that machine. Put it back so people want to see it.
Make sure no one will get it or put it in the bush.
But, yeah. Now, what's written on here, Floyd? Look, there's something written on that. Clark? Something. Oh, hang on, getting the light. So it looks like Clark something. And what it's off.
Is this another? Hey Dad, I think I found another piece of horseshoe.
That's a hammerhead, look, I think. No, it's not. Thought it was. Oh, it might have been someone used that as a hammer or something. Look, it's all squashed.
Hey Dad, look, I found a broken horseshoe in this stump.
Ah, yeah.
And also whatever this
Well, there's a few, something else in there too, look. What's this?
Whatever that thing is.
Okay. Is that a stirrup? No, I don't think it could be.
We got a lot of stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff around. Yeah. Very interesting, isn't it? Yeah, like I'm saying though, Floyd, this old bed would be old.
Wait, this is
Oh,
a
look,
bed?
there's some more stuff up there.
Yeah, let's go check that out. I didn't know this was a bed. I'm gonna tip it over.
Yeah, don't.
Years later,
It's a very, very old bed, I'd say.
more new paint also on this.
Huh? Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the one we just went to. Yeah, what am I talking about?
Look at this. Hey.
Huh?
Mate, look at this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. That's like off an old plate or something, or bowl maybe. See, there's got the edges on it. Yeah.
Looks like a butterfly on this also.
Oh, that's off the bed, I think. I reckon that's off that bed, or a bed anyway. Yeah. Like I'm saying, Floyd, they come here 18, what was it? Like
1800?
18 something.
1899.
But she remarried, I think it said in 1888.
1888? Let's go look at more of his stuff. Maybe this used to be an old mansion or a warehouse.
Yeah, something was down here too.
Ooh.
It's like a floor or something.
This
Listen to
will
that
not-
fence.
Yeah, I will not shut up.
It's talking, Floyd. What do you got here?
I could have picked it.
Dunno. A lot of metal, that's for sure. A lot of metal.
Metal everywhere. There's like
Yeah.
old stuff everywhere.
Huge, yeah, it is.
I'll get that out.
Huge amount of stuff. Can't see it.
Even like this. I don't want to pick
Everywhere you look, there's another horseshoe. So we've seen about 20 horseshoes.
I think like,
Well, we've seen 3.
but I hope we might see 20.
Yeah, looks like. Is that some sort of axe? Something? Yeah, I don't know. I'll just listen to the noise of this thing.
I think it might be some sort of truck.
Drinking troughs.
Dad,
Something
look, a
by the looks.
giant nail.
Yeah, humongous big bolt.
That's what exactly
Yeah, wrong bolt, isn't it?
giant bolt.
Yeah, see that's
That's it.
it's been some sort of shed here too. Maybe that was the dairy. I'll just try and zoom in on it.
Look at all this.
See? Can you see it? I'll try and zoom in on it.
Wait, what is that?
So go in it. Yeah, you're in the shade. Can you move over a little bit?
Dad, is that a snake?
So go in, I said. I can't. Oh, there it is. Yeah,
A
I've got it.
goanna. What's a goanna?
Yeah, blue tongue goanna, I'd say. You can barely see it, can you? It's pretty well camouflaged.
No, I can see it.
Yeah. Alright.
What the hell is that, Dad?
It looks like the old blue tongue lizard.
There's a blue tongue lizard.
I don't know if it's blue tongue or not, but
I think it's part of a dead snake.
what's
Maybe
that one say?
Say something.
Block something, Block and Co or something.
Looks like if you had a D at the end, it would say blood.
Yeah, it's upside down, but oh, BIOC something. Rightio, let's move it out. The wind. Yeah, right. I'll shut this off for a while. Yeah, there's another
Piece of a horseshoe.
horseshoe. More bits
Try
of
to break the glass.
pottery. Ooh.
Ooh,
Oh, I'm too. Hang on.
I want to break it.
Let me go back to that again.
Let's break it.
Don't break anything, Floyd. This is ancient history here.
Sorry, I just like breaking stuff.
Yeah, I know you do. Just don't break anything.
I don't know
Leave
why
it, people,
before
so
I
they can
said
come
I
along
don't
and look
know.
at it themselves.
I don't like breaking stuff.
There's a baby horseshoe for
Look.
baby horses.
I think someone littered. 'Cause
Yeah.
I
Little
thought
baby.
this was made